Students, the junior JEE program is going on. Already mathematics 1A I am handling. In mathematics 1A, trigonometry chapter we are handling. In the chapter we have completed two exercises. Trigonometry, mathematics 1A, mathematics 1A trigonometry chapter. Exercise 6B we have successfully completed. Before going to discuss about the exercise 6C, some formula are there and some examples are there. After completion of examples and formula, let us go for exercise 6C. Formula depends upon compound angles. That I am writing. Formula depends upon compound angles. I said the formula sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b. Now let us discuss about sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. First one, sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Let us discuss the formula sin of a plus b. Formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the formula sin of a minus. Now this is of the form, this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b concept. A square minus b square. You write here sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. This is a formula of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. But this is not original useful formula. We generally use that here sin square a instead of 1 minus cos square b, you write 1 minus sin square minus instead of here 1 minus sin square a, right, 1 minus sin square a into sin square. So what I am going to discuss with you that sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula in terms of sin. So there will be no cos term. Now this is sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b minus sin square b into 1 minus sin square b minus of minus plus this is sin square a into sin square b. Plus and minus will be cancelled. Therefore, you can write the formula sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. This is a formula, put a star mark. Next one, same formula you can write here for sin square a 1 minus cos square a, right, and minus of for sin square b 1 minus cos square b, right. It becomes 1 minus cos square a minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square b 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So first of all plus value you write. So sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b becomes cos square b minus cos square a. This is another formula. Put a star mark. Now let us go into discuss about the formula cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b also. This is the first one. Depends upon compound angles. Next one, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Let us write the formula of compound angle. Cos of A plus B formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is equal to multiply again. This is on the form A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus B square you can write as cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square. Cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. Let us going to discuss about cos square A into this is 1 minus sin square B minus here sin square A into this is 1 minus cos square B. So cos square A minus sin square B cos square A. Sin square B cos square minus sin square A, it is not correct. So better to write here 1 minus cos square B. This is 1 minus cos square A into sin square B. Now multiply here sin square B. Minus of minus plus cos square A sin square B. Here you can understand cos square A sin square A plus and minus will be cancelled. Therefore, write the formula cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. This is a formula. Put a star mark here. And depends upon this one, let us write instead of cos square A 1 minus sin square A and instead of sin square B 1 minus cos square B. Next one I am writing instead of cos square A write 1 minus sin square A bracket minus of 1 minus this is cos square B. So that is equal to 1 minus of sin square A minus 1 plus cos square B. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Therefore, write the formula cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square B minus sin square A. This is a formula. Try to understand cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. A formula is there, and cos square B minus sin square A is also another formula. Now let us write the try expressions. Cos of A plus B plus C sin of A plus B plus C like that. Third formula sin of A plus B plus C. Let us prove this one. A plus B, take a group. Of course, A separate group and B plus C separate group also you can take, no problem. To write now sin of A plus B plus C. Consider as this is C, this is B cos B. Sin C plus D, sin C cos D plus cos C sin D. So, write the formula sin of A plus B into cos C plus cos of A plus B into sin C. Next step, sin of A plus B, you write the formula once again sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into cos C plus cos of a plus b concept, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into sin c, that is equal to sin a cos b cos c, sin a cos b cos c plus, first I am writing sin a cos b cos c, next sin b cos c cos a. Try to understand why I am writing this. Next sin c cos a cos b minus sin a sin b sin c, sin a sin b sin c. Now you can understand this formula as sin of a plus b plus c is equal to sigma sin a cos b cos c. Sigma means summation. Here sin a next letter b next letter c. Next here b next letter c next letter a, like that. It is summation minus pi sin a. Pi meaning product, sigma meaning sum, pi meaning product. So pi sin a meaning sin a into sin b into sin c. It is a product. This is a formula. Next, fourth one. Cos of a plus b plus c. In the similar way you understood. Try to understand like this. Cos of a plus b is a group and c is a group. Depends upon the cos of a plus b formula, you write cos a cos b concept. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin. Cos of a plus b into cos c minus sin of a plus b into sin c. Once again, we can expand the formula. Cos of a plus b as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b within the bracket. Right here cos c minus of, this is sin a sin b, sorry, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin c. That is equal to, multiply here cos a cos b cos c, cos a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b cos c, sin a sin b cos c minus sin a sin c cos b minus sin b sin c cos a. This formula cos of a plus b plus c, you can write this is simply pi cos a minus sigma, like simply write sin a sin b cos a. Otherwise sin a sin a cos a sin b sin c, any model you can write sin a sin b cos b. This is a formula. Sigma means summation and pi means product. Depends upon this one, multiple compound angles. We can write tan of a plus b plus c also. These are the useful formulas. Tan of a plus b plus, third, fourth, this is fifth part. Tan of a plus b plus c. Consider this one as tan of a plus b plus c. Tan of first one you take as a and second one you take as b. Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So write like this. This is tan of a plus b plus tan c by 1 minus tan of a plus b, 1 minus tan of a plus b into tan c. That is equal to, again expand the formula tan of a plus b. So it is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b plus tan c. whole by 1 minus of, right, like this. This is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B into tan C. This is into tan C. Now take LCM in numerator and denominator. Tan A plus tan B minus, not minus, it is plus, tan C into 1 minus tan A tan B whole by 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B whole by, take LCM here, 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B minus of tan A plus tan B into tan C whole by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. This 1 minus tan A tan B will be getting cancelled. That is equal to here. You can write tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus, multiply with tan C. So it becomes tan A into tan B into tan C. Tan A into tan B into tan C whole by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan. You should remember this one as a formula. This can be written as sigma tan A minus pi tan A. Pi means product by 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. Here S1 means summation of tan taken one at a time. S2 summation of tan, that means tan A tan B taken 2 at a time. That means taken 2 tan terms. S3 means product, not summation. Product of tan terms. That is tan A into tan B into tan C. Taken 3 at a time. Taken 3 terms. 3 tan terms at a time. That implies we can write the formula tan of A plus B plus C. We can write the formula tan of A plus B plus C is equal to S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 is the tan of A plus B plus C formula, where S1 is tan A plus tan B plus tan C, and S2 is tan A tan B tan B tan C tan C tan A, and S3 is tan A into tan B into tan C. Today 5 formulae completed. Let us discuss about 6th formula. Cot of A plus B plus C. You can consider as this is cot of A plus B plus C. Let us remember the formula cot of A plus B. Cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Students, I said the formula, everything in compound angles concept. So first of all, let us write this is cot B means here cot C. Cot C into this is cot of A plus. Formula cot B cot A minus 1. So this is minus 1. Y cot B plus cot A. So cot C plus cot of A plus B. Here cot C into, now you write the formula cot of A plus B as cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, here only you write minus 1 whole by cot C plus right here once again the formula cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot B plus cot A. Now take LCM and multiply. That is equal to cot C cot B cot A minus cot A into cot B plus cot B whole by cot B plus cot A. Whole by, take an LCM here, it can multiply as cot C into cot B plus cot A plus cot B cot A minus 1 whole by cot B plus cot A. Denominator get cancelled. Now you can write here, it is not right. Simply cot A. No, it is not. Simply minus cot B plus cot. Cot B, cot C, 2 cots minus cot C is there. Cot C, cot B, cot A minus simple cot C. Minus of this one, it is correct. Now write in order cot A, cot B, cot C. Cot A, cot B, cot C. Minus, multiply with minus. You write here cot A minus. Cot A minus cot B minus cot C. Whole by cot B, cot C. Write in order cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C. Cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot C, cot A minus 1. If you take common in numerator minus and plus, it becomes like this. It becomes cot A plus cot B plus cot C minus of cot A into cot B into cot C whole by 1 minus, becoming minus become plus, plus becomes minus. 1 minus cot A cot B minus cot B cot C. Better to do like write like this. 1 minus of cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A plus cot C cot A. This one you can write as sigma cot A minus pi cot A. Sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A cot B. 1 minus sigma cot A cot B. Or you can write this one S1, the same concept of tangent rule. S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. S1 meaning summation of cot terms taken 1 at a time. S2 means summation of cot terms taken 2 at a time. S3 means summation of cot terms taken, not summation, it is a product of cot taken 3 at a time. These are called as trigonometric expansions of formulae. Depends upon compound angles. For every number, of course, these formula are enough. Now I am giving the homework to do that homework. First one, expand. Expand. First one sine of a plus b minus c. Second one sine of a minus b plus c. Third one sine of a minus b minus c. In the similar way, cos tan in. Fourth one cos of a plus b minus c. Fifth one cos of a minus b plus c. Sixth one cos of a minus b plus c. Seventh one tan of a plus b minus c. Eighth one tan of a minus b plus c. Ninth one tan of a minus b minus c. 10th one cot of a plus b minus c. 11th one cot of a minus b plus c. 12th one cot of a minus b minus c. Try to do these sums. Then you can understand what is the importance of the trigonometry. How much you have learnt in 10th class until 10th class, how much you are going to be learning in intermediate. You can understand the preference and the depth of the trigonometry. Now let us going to discuss about some examples which are useful. Page 250, solved problems. Page 250, solved problems. Point 2.9. Find the values of sine 75 degrees, cos 75, tan 75, cot 75. So everything is there. Sine cot 70. First of all, sine 70. Write like this. Sine 45 plus 30. Write a formula sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b formula sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. That is equal to, you can write here sine 45 degrees into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sin 30. Cos 45 into sin 30. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2 and cos 30 value root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 value 1 by root 2 and sin 30 value 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2 is LCM. Here root 3 plus 1 root 3. Therefore, I am writing here sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. It is most IMP formula. Once again I am writing a formula. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So you write sin 90 minus 15. Of course it is sin 70. Sin 75 you can write as sin 90 minus 15. It becomes cos 15. Therefore, you write now cos 15 degrees is equal to sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75, so cos 15 and sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, second one is discussing cos 75. Cos 75 you write as cos of 45 plus 30. Keep aside and write the formula cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Write here cos 45 into cos 30 minus sin 45 into sin 30. Cos 45 value 1 by root into cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 value 1 by root 2 and sin 30 sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 take LCM here, it is 2 root 2 and root 3 minus 1. Therefore, here I am writing cos 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Once again we remember the formula. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So, if I am writing the value cos 75 is equal to into cos of 90 minus 50. Cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. So, sin 15. Write the formula. Sin 15 is nothing but cos 75. Sin 15 and cos 75 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the most IMP concept. Now let us discuss about tan 75 and cot 75. Tan 75 gives sin 75 by cos 75. So tan sin 75, students, sin 75 is nothing but cos 15. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole by this is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 got cancelled. So here root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 will take. Rationalize the denominator. So it becomes opposite symbol of denominator big gives root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. You can write here this is root 3 plus 1 whole square by this is formula a square minus b square. So here a plus b whole square concept. A square plus 2ab plus b square whole by 3 minus 1. So this is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So to take common here, you can write here tan 75 is equal to tan of 90 minus 15. So tan 90 minus theta I am writing here. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here you can write tan of 90 minus 15 is equal to cot 15. It is nothing but by get cancelling here. 2 take common 2 plus root 3 by 2 2 get cancelled. So it is 2 plus root. So I am writing now. Therefore tan 75 is equal to cot 15 is equal to tan 75 cot 15 is equal to 2 plus root 3. It is also most likely. Now we can write tan 15. So cot 75 I am writing. Cot 75 is equal to 1 by tan 75. Now we got 1 by tan 75 as 1 by 2 plus root 3. Take reciprocal of this one. So 2 plus root 3, opposite symbol rationalize with like this 2 plus 2 minus root 3. So now we write 2 minus root 3 by this is a 4 minus 3. So it is simply 2 minus root 3. So 1 by tan, that is 1 by tan 75, or again you can write here cot 75 degrees is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Cot 90 minus theta gives tan theta. So this is tan 15 degrees. Therefore, I am writing here tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees. Tan 15 degrees is equal to cot 75 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. This is also most IMP formula. The values which you have learnt are most IMP values. You should remember as a formula and you need to remember the values. So tan 75 equal to 2 minus root 3, tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3, tan 75 equal to 2 plus root 3, cot 15 is equal to 2 plus root 3, cot 75 equal to 2 minus root 3, sin 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and cos 75 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and cos 15, sin 15 and cos 75 are equal, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and sin 75 and cos 15 are equal, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. You need to remember these all formula. Let us going to discuss about some another examples in tomorrow class. Okay.